Web 2 versus Web 3. What's the difference? Why Web 3 is better for your media? At Digital Legacy Studios, we digitize and preserve precious memories. But an important question follows. Once your media is digitized, where does it live? In Web 2, the internet we all use today, you store your files on platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or iCloud. These companies control your data. Your access is based on usernames and passwords, not ownership. You could lose access if your subscription lapses, their servers go down, they shut down or change their terms. That's not a secure legacy. That's a risk. In Web 3, the next generation of the internet, your data is stored on decentralized networks like IPFS or Arweave. You use a digital wallet, not a login, to access your content. There are no middlemen, no subscriptions, no data mining. You control access, not big tech. Your metadata, file structure, and privacy are fully preserved. It's permanent and portable. That's not just safer, it's ownership. Why Web 3 is more safe, especially for memories. At DLS, we built the DLSD app to make this possible. Whether you're a family member, museum, or historian, you can organize, tag, and protect your media. You control who sees what and when. Your legacy is safe, searchable, and forever accessible. In Web 2, you're borrowing space. In Web 3, you own your archive. At Digital Legacy Studios, Web 3 isn't a trend. It's how we future-proof your legacy. DigitalLegacyStudios.com. Join our early access list and experience the future of memory keeping.